Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Stock number one for tomorrow's option trading is ITC Limited. This was a trend line breakout. I'm going to zoom out on the breakout candle. This is a breakout candle and this is the volume activity. After the breakout, there was retesting, and if you see, the low of this bearish candle did not break below the breakout level, which means that this was a real breakout, not a fake out. And it was vindicated by jump in volume activity number one and higher highs, higher lows, price action in subsequent sessions. Moreover, there is also a horizontal resistance level staring at buyers around 345 rupees. If there is a daily close above 345 with spot in volume activity, then sooner than later I foresee ITC challenging the swing high of 360 rupees. As I said, I am looking at buying 350 call option of December monthly expiry only if there is a breakout above 344 rupees. The target is given till 360 rupees. Last but certainly not least, stock for tomorrow's option trading is Apollo Tyres. I'm going to zoom out on the chart. The stock is in uptrend and the breakout above 300 rupees happened on the back of W pattern, which is a bullish breakout pattern. And currently there is a contraction around the breakout level of 323 rupees. I'll take you to monthly chart. The stock is trading at all-time high and the said level of 323 has been resisting buyers for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trading sessions rather. If you carefully observe the candles in this zone, most of the candle when they touch the level of 312, there is a longish tail, and that tail is implying selling, not selling, buying pressure. Second thing, see this bearish candle. The range is quite long, but when you look at the corresponding volume activity, it is almost negligible, which is again solidifies the fact that there are more buyers than sellers in and around the all-time high of 323 rupees. As I said, we will be buying 330 rupees of call option of December monthly expiry only if there is a breakout above 324 rupees. I have given targets till 350 rupees. You are free to calibrate your position according to the ups and downs in the stock price. The best way to handle is to trail your stop loss.